excretory system is responsible for maintaining homeostasis in the body by releasing waste products that are harmful. The excretory system is mainly composed of the kidneys, the nephrons which are inside of the kidneys, the ureters, the urinary bladder, the urethra, and the skin. Each of these organs work together to filter liquid metabolic waste in the form of urine. As the liquid passes through multiple organs, nutrients are removed and homeostasis is maintained through the constant balancing out of salt and water levels. Let's start by taking a look at the kidneys. The human body consists of 2 kidneys, which are located on either side of the spine and the abdomen. The kidneys are divided into 3 sections: the renal cortex, the renal medulla, and the renal pelvis. Each of these are further divided into subunits made up of nephrons. These nephrons are responsible for filtering all of the blood in the body as well as removing waste. They are also responsible for forming the urine out of the waste product. Moving back out to the whole system, here we have the ureters, which are the long tubes that connect the kidneys to the bladder. Urine, which again is made up of waste products, run through these ureters into the bladder. The bladder, also known as the urinary bladder, is the organ here at the bottom of the system that is responsible for holding all of the urine that the kidneys produce until it is finally released from the body. Once released, the urine exits through the urethra. The urethra is a tube that stems out from the urinary bladder that guides the urine outside the body through a process called micturition, which is just a fancy word for peeing. Now, it wouldn't be complete to talk about the organs in the excretory system without also mentioning the skin, which is classified as the secondary excretory organ. The skin is the largest organ in the entire body and helps to eliminate many compounds from the body through sweating.
One of the most obvious systems that the excretory system is linked to is the circulatory system. The blood that circulates throughout the body passes through the kidneys through the aorta. Uric acid and urea, which are waste products of living organisms, are removed from the blood thanks to the kidneys. Another system closely linked to the excretory system is the endocrine system. The endocrine system releases hormones responsible for maintaining the body's homeostasis. These hormones determine how much urine is produced. With the adrenal gland situated on top of the kidneys, the excretory system also interacts with the release of adrenaline throughout the body. One other system that works alongside the excretory system is the body's respiratory system. The excretory system supports the respiratory system by releasing excess carbon dioxide and water vapor, which prevents carbon dioxide buildup throughout the entire body.
The kidneys, like any other organ, have a risk of becoming damaged over time. This damage could be the result of acute stress or chronic conditions. An example of this is renal failure, which occurs when the kidneys are not able to properly filter waste out of blood. This causes the kidneys to be unable to maintain homeostasis. Renal failure is most often caused by diseases like diabetes or hypertension. Some symptoms of renal failure include leg swelling, nausea, vomiting, and drowsiness. These are caused by an increased toxin level in the blood due to the kidney's inability to filter blood. Renal failure can typically be treated by altering one's diet and other lifestyle choices. In some cases, a kidney transplant may be necessary.